Today we're going to talk about fake plastic, polyester, acrylic, whatever is you want to call it. This is petroleum product. It takes about 7 gallons of oil to make this fake fur, and we don't even call it a fur because it's not fur. People say faux fur to confuse people that they're buying fur. You're not buying fur. This is a real fur. Okay, real fur is natural, biodegradable, eco-friendly, biodegrade in 6 months like a leaf, versus the plastic that biodegrades in 1,000 years. That's killing people, fish, wildlife, and it's toxic the water we drink. And this is how you can tell the plastic. See, when you burn it, when you burn it, it doesn't leave ashes. This becomes like a ball. Look at this. So this will never biodegrade. So buy real fur, real leather. Everything is real. God giving plenty to us. Buy natural fibers: fur, leather, cashmere, wool, cotton, and silk. Now this is the real fur. When you burn the real fur, now this is what happens to your fingers. Ashes. See it, my friend? That's the real, that's the plastic. And we already know that microplastic enter the women's placenta. Microplastic, when you wear the polyester sweaters, it goes through your body, from your body heat, 12% into your body. So wear natural fibers, live longer, and save our Mother Earth. Thank you.